Okay, everybody. So, look, just a little quick video how to get you started here on screencast on matic. Okay, so here is the address right here. Okay, just go to screencastonmatic.com. No www in front. So you'll come to this particular page. Click sign up. It's free. Just go through the process. It'll ask you to type in your email address. You type in your email address, and you click next, and then it'll send you a verification email. So you'll have to go to your email and verify your account. Then once you do that, then it'll ask you to create a password. And then once you do that, you're good. And so once you finish that, well, then you'll come here and you'll be in your account. Okay. I'm recording right now, but basically what you do is you just launch recorder. Okay? And then you start recording like I'm doing right now. I'm going to, so for those going back to our meeting this morning, this is a screencast. So I'm recording what's on my screen and I'm giving instructions verbally, and this software is recording what I'm saying. So this is a screencast. So this is what I'm asking you to do, going through the lobs in the in VNet. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I'll send you those tutorials from Screencast-O-Matic so you can watch and see how to save and all that good stuff. Okay, thanks.